Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Khan92. Today my video is about LG remote. So today we will learn how we can set the time. How we can set this time in the remote. This what it's showing now, 8:26 p.m. But what is our time right now? Our time is right now. I will show you in the watch is 6:09 p.m. 6 past 9 p.m. Okay, so I will set this time in this remote for you. How to set we'll learn today. You can see here this key set, the button set clear, here written this time and seconds. So just what need to do, you can see here when I press this up to 3 seconds, then this PM will be blink. So let's start now. I will press 1 2 3 4. See, this is blinking now. The PM is blinking now. What you need to do is this key and this key, up and down key, we can set. When you press the down key, the time will come up. When you press the up key, the time will go up. So I am going to press the up key to set our time. Just press it, press and hold this. You can see the time is running now. Goes to AM. What is our time now? 6:10. I will 6:10 PM. Okay, so it's PM now. Now I have to go to the 6. Let's go to the 6. 5. Let's go very fast, so you can easily, it will not get more time, it will not take your more time. So we will set it on 6:10 PM. Okay, so this is set now. Just press again set clear. So now see, I press again set clear. Our time is 6:10. What is our time here? 6:11. Okay, 1 minute difference, but it's fine. So this is the key, set clear. Just press it 3 seconds. When this is blinking now, the PM is blinking, just press up and down key. These not these for temperature, but these keys for the time setting. Just I press one more, 2 more, and then press this clear, set clear again, set clear, press again, it stops now. So today our video is about the time setting of LG remote, how to set the time in LG remote. So this is all about the time setting of LG split AC remote. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.